Want to change the region on Nintendo Switch? This lets you access games, apps, and eShop content from anywhere. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Go to the home screen of Nintendo Switch. After that, tap on the settings icon below. Open up the settings. Now scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on System. Here you will find the region option. Tap on it. Now you can select your region, like the Americas, Europe, Japan, and etc. Suppose I want to change to the Americas. Select the Americas, then tap Next. Next, check the Accept box. Then tap Restart. After restarting, your region will be changed. And there you have it. That's how you change the region in Nintendo Switch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.